When you think of filling your pipeline, you always want to think, oh, I gotta have more, I gotta have more. More is good, but what the Covey program allowed us to do is rethink that funnel. The thing that drew me most to the Train the Trainer program was it being online was going to save us money, allow us not to have to pay travel costs, not tie up my trainers for 3 or 4 days sitting in a classroom, and then most importantly was the immediate availability of resources and assistance. It allowed these national sales trainers to become certified in something that was very beneficial to not only them in their own skill sets, but also to our salespeople.
It was amazing because it fit with exactly what our learning objectives were. And because we weren't going to get to this part of filling your pipeline for at least another year based on our workload, our production schedule.
We really wanted to help the sales professionals, our sales representatives, as they're out there, really target on qualified and quality prospects that were going to be rich, right, and real that would help fill their pipeline.
Our sales leaders really want to ramp up new hires quicker than ever before. Our goal is to bring somebody from a role of being new to a role of being functional as close to 90 days as possible. And what we found with this process is that people are understanding the process of filling the pipeline with quality leads much quicker than before. Folks that have been through this program are 48% more successful at achieving their initial targets than people that don't attend.
The impact to the sales organization has been phenomenal. We have received great reviews from our sales representatives who have gone through the program. It's really allowed them to think of things different.
The strength of this program, just beyond the virtual training, the materials are spectacular, the videos are beautiful, but the part I'm most excited about is the post-course engagement of the 12 additional sessions after the learning event.
Sustainability in the sales world is a key element in the success, and being able to keep contact with our sales representatives for the next 12 weeks that allow us to continue to focus on the learnings is what continues to allow them to develop good habits.
The beauty of it is that we didn't have to design it. It fit well with our organizational needs. The Train the Trainer process was extremely natural for us. It wasn't something that required a lot of time and a lot of dedication because it's so well written and targeted and was very easy to deliver and therefore received easily by the learner.